Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rekha. Today I am going to show you 6 easy mini painting ideas using acrylic. Hope you all like it. If you like my videos, please like, share and comment. And also don't forget to subscribe for new videos. So let's move to the video. So to start, here I am using a canvas cloth. I have already taped into 6 separate sections. And for the first painting, I am applying dark green for the background. Here I am going to paint roses kind of abstract way. I am going to add lemon yellow along with dark green to get a lighter background, so it will get mixed with the green color. So now I am going to paint the roses. Here I am just painting a kind of abstract rose. It's nothing going to more details. So here I am using the color Scarlet Lake and also roses to the corner part of the section. So I am going to add sea strokes to one of the circle by mixing Scarlet Lake plus titanium white. Outer part of the petals is going to be lighter and the center part dark red. For the second rose, I am keeping the center part as red and painting the outer petals as lighter. After painting the roses in the same way as said earlier, now I am going to paint the leaves on the gaps of the roses. Here I have mixed the dark green plus lemon yellow for the leaves. This is an easy painting and a relaxed one without going more into the details. And now I am adding veins to the leaves using dark green using zero round brush. And now I am moving on to the second painting. Here I have painted the background using dark green color, and now I am painting some leaves on the background using dark green and also dark green. And now I am going to paint white flowers using my zero round brush. You can paint any shape of flower. Here I am painting different shapes of flowers. Paint your flowers in different perspectives mixed with. Now I am adding the center part of the flower by mixing yellow ochre plus white. Now we are moving on to the third painting. This painting didn't work as I planned, but just go with it. Here I have painted a mushroom using white color as the base and now applying burnt on the top, and for the bottom part burnt sienna mixed with white. Now I am going to add the background using dark green and adding some grassy leaf-like shapes using dark green plus white. I am also adding dark green leaves. And I am going to add tiny flower-like buds using my flat brush using lemon yellow. Now I am adding small tiny dots on the mushroom. Next step is I want to add a butterfly on the mushroom. So here I have already painted white as base for the butterfly, and now I am adding cobalt blue as the color of the butterfly and added some dots on the wings using white and black color. This is a easy and fun painting. Without going into more details, for the next painting, here I am giving the background color as dark green, and next step is I am going to add leaves as the background. Here I have mixed lemon yellow plus dark green for the leaves. Now I have filled the background with leaves, and now I am adding veins to the leaves using dark green. And now I am going to add some butterflies on the leaves. Here I am giving black color as base for the butterfly. Here you can give any colors to the butterflies and also the decorations. And after painting the butterflies, I am going to define the leaves using the color mixed with dark green and black. And for the next painting, here I have painted the background using green color. And now I am going to paint flowers using white color as base. Here I have used the Acrylic round brush. Just any flower shape as you wish. Here I have painted the flowers using cobalt blue for one flower and scarlet lake mixed with white for the other flower, and gave the center part of the flower and after that I just defined the pink flowers using scarlet lake, and now I am adding leaves mixed with green and scarlet lake color in between the flowers. Scarlet lake color. And for the last painting, again I have used the background as green color. Here I am going to add some leaf branches painted using dark green and light green. You can mix dark green plus white to get light green. And next step is here I am adding some yellow flowers here and there on the leaf branches to make it more colorful. So here we have finished all the paintings. These are very easy and fun painting ideas using acrylic. Hope you all like this video, and also please share your thoughts about the video as comments. And also if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and support my channel by consider subscribing for new videos. See you all in the next video. Bye.